Hello everyone, it's Francis with Your Book of Memories. I really have a treat for you this time around. I cannot thank Pamela enough. She ended up coming to the in-person class we just had this past Saturday. We had a blast together and I asked her if I can hold on to this for her to share it with all of you. And I'm just so excited to get into it with you. Pamela is just such an awesome person. I just loved meeting everybody and I really honestly, it's totally enriched my life to meet everyone in person. We had a fabulous crafting day and this was one of her project shares that she brought so that we can all admire it. And wow, did she just blow this design out of the water. Pamela, I want to say thank you so much for just coming to the class. It was amazing to meet you and your artistry just boggles my mind. Her embellishing is just on a whole nother level. She ended up making this wedding album for one of her family members, I believe. She used Paper Studio Blanc boutique papers and just, I'm wowed. I am completely wowed on her front cover. Look at this gorgeous lace that she used. And then she has all these die cuts. She told me, depending on the wedding colors, she comes back and puts in a little ink color on those adorable little die cut pieces, depending on the wedding theme colors. Is that genius or what? And look how fantastic all of these layered flowers and pearls and different little elements just kind of coming here and there. I mean, look at this. It's just so sweet and delicate. Beautiful way to show off paper crafting. Pamela, you boggle my mind. Look how sweet. I mean, we've even got a few little blings happening right here on the body of this butterfly. I love this glossy paper as well. And then right here on the spine, she took this gorgeous like pinstripe paper here, and then she continued that lace on the back with some adorable polka dot. And you know what, Pamela, I was thinking this pearlized type of ivory paper really goes well with this pure white. I was surprised to see how well that came together. I was always curious, but you balanced it out beautifully. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get into this one. It was just so fabulous to just do a class in person and to be able to meet everybody and look at this beautiful sentiment, our wedding day. Is that perfect? Or what? Oh my gosh, look. This is absolutely fabulous. She's got this beautiful, this is an old school class, so I'll link the class down in the description for you. I created that tutorial so many years ago, but really she just has this upgraded version of it. I mean, it looks just amazing. And for the recipient, she's got like this little punch where they can stick their little photo corners into there. And you don't have to be super crafty, she said. And she's got that fabulous, look at that cute heart stamp from Hobby Lobby and then beautiful journaling lines, Pamela. I love them. These go right back into this back pocket. You'll notice there's 2 stacked pockets here. I'll leave that out so you can see. Oh my gosh, the embellishing just has my whole heart. It's just perfect. They are going to cherish this forever. She says their wedding is in May. Look at that. That came with the paper line? Wow. I did not know Photoplay made such elegant paper. And look at this. I have to bring this up. All you need is love. Is that the truth or what? Some lace layering, a beautiful little banner in the back with some more of those journaling lines. Super cute polka dot paper again. You see kind of glimmers here. I'm fascinated by this. Pamela, your clusters are very low profile, yet they've got so much layer and dimension. You're just an absolutely brilliant artist. This is just amazing to be going through this. So again, she's got these photo corners. You'll be noticing them throughout the entire book. And then she's got this simple closure, a nice photo mat. And look how simple right here. We've got like almost like this tulle sort of miniature bow with a nice pearl on the top. I love it. A couple little banner shapes right there. And then there's actually an insert at the top of the page as well. Almost feels like it's a booklet. It is. I think you might be able to fit some 5x7s in here. This paper is just absolutely phenomenal. And you know what? It's got like this monochromatic, really traditional flavor going on and I'm digging it. I just absolutely love it. I love this dainty size you chose here for these little interactive little ties. This opens up here. Some more photo space right here. Another cute little simple cluster right there in the bottom left corner. Just divine. The simplicity is what is really blowing my mind here. Yet there's so much detail in here, but you're seeing the pattern just, it's so elegant. It's just so elegant. Look at this. Pamela, you are a crafter on another level. Look at these little touches throughout the entire book. And this, it looks like there's some glitter on here. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm fascinated and I love how you went along with your journaling pen too. You kind of added like this sort of modern, playful twist into the design. So it's almost like a hybrid between elegancy and, is that even a word? Playfulness and elegancy. That's what I'm going to call it. Just divine. Look at this. I'm just starstruck right now. This flips over this way and again, simple. And then she's got that beautiful little photo space here and there. A couple flaps that open to the right. Beautiful journaling lines on these fabulous little banner shapes that she cut out. I'm in love. And another tuck spot with a gorgeous little strip of lace. I never would have thought to just throw some lace on one of these shapes. It just totally elevates the entire look. Oh my gosh. So simple yet so beautiful. I'm just blown. I'm blown. Here's another pocket page right here. And again, the tutorial if you want to learn to make one of these down in the description. Ah, look at this. Photo play. What is happening? This is awesome. I almost thought all the best wedding papers just disappeared, but I guess they have not. Oh my goodness, here's this page. Look at the lace trim on the side of this photo mat this time with a little bit more of this. Oh yeah, a little bit of glitter on there. Did that come like that, Pamela, or did you add some of the glitter on top of the, I don't know if you can see. Look at the little bit of a glitter happening here on this. Wow, just, no words. No words can describe how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh. I like how you did one lace here on one side and then the other. And this is just, are you kidding me right now? So consistent, the flow and the style throughout the entire book. Everything's so cohesive. Everything's so just elegant and just traditional. I'm in love with this. I am absolutely obsessed with this. We also have picture space at the bottom too. They are going to cherish this for absolutely ever. And it looks like quite a bit of photos can fit in here, especially if you kind of go front and back right here. It looks like some 5x7 spaces. Wow. And then on the next page, we've got another gorgeous little picture mat. And then again, some layered pieces, fabulous little glittery butterfly. And wow, look at this on-page pocket on this flap. Oh my gosh, let's take out the goodies. I mean, look at this. That is just phenomenal. I mean, inspiration across the board right now. This is like, who would not want to make a wedding book for someone like this? It seems like it can match absolutely any wedding. I mean, we've got the grays, the greens, the ivories, the lace. You're just, wow. Like, whoa. Just so sweet. Love that. And here's the opening. Let's see what's on the inside of this one. Oh, more goodies. Wow, this is so pretty. Where did you find all these cool pieces? Yes, the cake, more layering. Oh, this is just so nice. All of it is so nice. Another piece at the top. Another 5x7 little photo mat. Top loading pocket page. What? This, I mean, come on. This is beautiful. Pamela, you are just, look at all that. Is that beautiful or what? I don't think I've ever seen a book this precious for a wedding. Like, it's just perfect. Every little detail you put in here. Handmade touch. Love this little side tuck pocket scenario here. I'm speechless. You just use this paper perfectly. This ties back to keep that closed, and then this turns over again. Wow, there's so many. I have not seen this book design in years. And look at this. Fabulous little tall little flower right there. Beautiful little cluster there. Again, the photo corners are continuing throughout this entire book, and a double stacked pocket in the very back. Some 4x6 photo spots and journaling, even if you wanted. She's got, look at how precious this is. Everything just came together beautifully, Pamela. Everything. And look at this. This is so great. Just married. Oh, look at that at the very end of the book. And gorgeously inked green leaves right there. And all these go back in beautifully. Pamela, you are just, she allowed me to borrow 2 of her books so I can show you. So I've got another one coming soon and 2 other ones from a friend. So you're going to be seeing takes on these projects. I just love seeing everyone's different views on these books, and balance of embellishments is just unreal. I've never seen anything this beautiful. And I'm just so unbelievably grateful that you came all that way from Colorado so we can craft together, Pamela. It was just an absolute pleasure to meet you. I'm very much looking forward to the next time if you can make it out. Thank you everyone so much for watching. I can't wait to show you Pamela's other book and Cheryl's 2 others. Pamela, I'm giving you a nice big hug. Thank you so much for allowing me to share your beautiful art with everybody. I'm sure they're inspired by your decorative talent and your precision. Everything is just perfect. And their wedding photos are going to look even better in the book you made for them. Thank you so much for hanging out to look through Pamela's book with me. I can't wait to show you her next one. I'm wishing everyone an awesome day, and I'll see you soon.